I want to share with everyone about my life in a bright red tiled and wooden house with a small garden filled with plants that give me fruit in every season of the year. Every morning, I wake up and start a new day. By sweeping dry leaves in the yard, I usually feel very peaceful and emotional when I do this work. After that, I started taking care of and playing with the birds in the garden. We have a close and emotional relationship. I feel happy and love little creatures like them. Living close to nature helps me and my family have more wonderful experiences. I learn a lot from being close to nature and the creatures that live around me. It helps me to have more lightness, affection, and empathy in my life. Living close to nature also helps me and my family have more health and energy. Life close to nature is truly a wonderful and precious experience. It helps us find peace, affection, and joy in life. I hope that the story of me and my family can inspire people to explore and experience life close to nature. If you found this video useful and interesting, please share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with the latest videos and get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everyone.